Yeah, so tonight we are trying Dad's chicken thighs and Mom's macaroni salad. Let's give this a try. Right, let's give this a good try. mm. Too big of a bite. Yeah, the chicken is so nice and juicy. And so flavorful. Let me try the macaroni salad. Got some corn. And cut the macaroni. Yeah, a spicy kick to it. What do you put in it? No, what's your favorite? What's that, chicken? Let's wait a minute. She's so good.
It's street corn pasta salad.
So basically just corn and pasta. That's what I'm understand. Anywho, overall it's a really good dish, what she made. And yeah. That's gonna be it for tonight. Macaroni salad. Very tasteful, flavorful. And anywho, thanks so much, and peace out.